Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to give permission to team members in your GitHub repository. This is essential when you're working on collaborative projects and need to grant others access to contribute to your code. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you directly to your GitHub dashboard where you can manage all your repositories and settings. Now take a look at the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see a list of all your repositories. Click on the repository that you want to give team members access to. This is the project where you'll be adding collaborators who can view, edit, or contribute to the code depending on the permissions you set. Once you've opened the repository, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll see several tabs like Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. What you're looking for is the Settings tab. Click on Settings to access the configuration options for this specific repository. This is where you control everything from branch protection rules to access management. Inside the settings menu, scroll through the left sidebar until you find the option labeled Collaborators. Click on Collaborators to open the Access Management section. This is the area where you can see who currently has access to your repository and add new team members as needed. You'll notice a button that says Add People. Click on Add People to start inviting new collaborators. This action will open a search field where you can look up GitHub users by their username or email address. It's a straightforward way to connect with team members and grant them the appropriate level of access. In the text field that appears, type the username of the person you want to add to your repository. Make sure you enter the correct username to avoid sending an invitation to the wrong person. Once you've typed in the username, click the Add button next to it. This will send an invitation to that user, and once they accept it, they'll have access to your repository based on the default permissions. And that's it. You've successfully given permission to team members in your GitHub repository. This simple process allows you to collaborate more effectively and manage who can contribute to your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.